Royal Canadian Air Force traces its roots back to 1919 and the Air Board of Canada. By the 1930s, these early biplanes were replaced with more powerful aircraft, fighters. 47 Canadian airmen gave their lives during that campaign. The 1963 air show season. In all, they performed at 317 air shows in Canada and the United States and established a national display team legacy continued on by the Golden Centennial 1950s. The RCAF has helped NORAD track Santa's Christmas Eve progress around. In the 60s and 70s, the Royal Canadian Air Force employed supersonic Century Series fighters, including the CF-101 Voodoo and the CF-104 Starfighter as interceptor, reconnaissance, and strike aircraft. Officially named in 1971, the Snowbirds have been Canada's national air demonstration team for more than 50 years. With their 9 twinkling lights and iconic red and white Tudor jets, the Snowbirds are recognized worldwide as a symbol of Canada and the Canadian Forces. Participated in operations around the world, including the Middle East, Eastern Europe, North Africa, and as part of NORAD's aerial defense of North America. The RCAF CF-18 demonstration team often features a distinctive paint scheme on its demo jet. It's been a while since the calls across 6 million square miles each year. Nothing wrong when I get home to your It carries 75 tons of cargo, more than 2,000 nautical miles. When I get home,